Hello everyone and welcome to week 5 phonics lesson 1. Let me share my screen and we will get going. So see if you can beat me and say the sound before I do. Are we ready? Let's go. A, R, ow. Well done. Let's do the same for phase 5. A, oo, O, U. So it's digraph U. Well done. Let's do it with our words. We can do them even faster. I, into, me, all, are, they, have, some, come, one, could, called. Superstars. So our sound today is ah. Let's see if you've said it right. As in head. So yes, our EA can be an S sound as well, ed. So think about what other sound does it make? Look at the clue. That's right, it can make an E sound. So yes, a little bit confusing, but when we read it in a sentence, it can always help us to try and see if it makes sense. As if you said, my heat hurts, that doesn't sound right, does it? So if you try the other sound it can make, the S sound, my head hurts, that makes a lot more sense. So yes, our EA can make an E sound, but it can also make an S sound. So that's what we're going to be looking at today. So let's read some real and alien words. You read it first, and then I will put the sound buttons on. Are we ready? This word. That's right. Head. Oh, love this food. What's this word? Bread. Bread. Ooh, what about this word? Your breath. So you might see it in the wintertime when it comes out like a dragon. Okay? Or you might need to catch your breath after you've run around the playground really fast. What about this word? Feather. Now remember, this is an alien word, and remember that our EA today is making an F sound. You ready? F, clef. What about this word? Ed, dread. So if you dread something, you're really nervous or you're really scared about doing it. Okay? What about this word? Ed, thread. So when we do our textiles in DT at school, we might use a thread that we thread through a needle and then we can sew. And finally, our last alien word, remember, twef. Okay, now it is your turn to write some words using our sounds today. So remember, the S sound looks like this. It is spelled E-A. Okay, so the words I would like you to spell are head, bread, and feather. Okay, so 3 words, head, bread, feather. Okay, pause the video, off you go. Right, let's see how you did. So our first word was head. So head. Let's put the sound buttons on. Head. Okay, our next word was bread. Okay, ed. And finally, our next word was feather. So feather. And remember, when we are doing our beautiful join-up handwriting, we only cross our T's and dot our I's at the end of spelling the word. Let's put the sound buttons on. Feather. So now, as your challenge, we're going to play a game of bingo. So you can play it with somebody at home after you've paused the video. So we're going to play EA bingo. Okay, so you need to choose 4 real words from the list of EA words used earlier. So I'll put that slide back on in a minute. You're going to write them on a piece of paper or a whiteboard. Okay, and cross your word out if it is called out. Okay, the first one to cross all of their words out is the winner. Okay, does that make sense? So let's go back and have a look at the words we had. So you could choose head, bread, breath, feather, dread, or thread, because obviously we don't want to write down our alien words. Okay, so whoever's calling out the bingo words at home, you need to make sure you are calling out one of these real words. Does that make sense? All right, pause the video and go and have some fun. How was that? Was that good fun? So to finish our phonics lesson, we are going to read a sentence. So you have a go first, following along with my pen, then we'll read together, and then we'll see which words use our sound today. Are we ready? Let's go. All right, let's read together. A feather landed on the head of a tired, heavy elephant. So, which words have our sound in today? Shout them loud and proud at the screen. That's right. Feather does, head does, and heavy. Superstars. Now, this word was a little bit tricky. Tired. Think. Tired. Good. Okay, well, thank you very much for joining me, everyone, and we'll see you at the next phonics lesson. Bye.